Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have part one of my Nordstrom anniversary sale haul. So I am not going to be keeping all these things. I literally went cuckoo and just ordered things because I wanted to see what they looked like. Some of these things I did get from my husband and I already know I'm going to be returning them, but I wanted to not try, obviously he's not going to try them on. He did try on one piece, but I want to explain to you why I'm returning them and whether or not I would recommend these items. All right. So first up, and I was really hopeful for this, is this Rails jacket. It's a good fall jacket, nice quality. It is machine washable. We all know Rails is a great name. It's in a dark charcoal gray, and it's kind of like a field jacket with the patch pockets here in front. It has a zip closure and then snaps on top of that. So it's a really nice jacket. $129.99. We all know Rails is an extremely expensive name brand. So for the price of this jacket, I think this is a nice quality jacket and I would highly recommend it. I will put all my links in the comments below or in the notes below, but if, you know, I'm not sponsored in any way. I don't get any kind of kickback. I'm just giving you the links so you can see what I am offering or what I'm actually showing you. We're not going to keep it. I already had him try them on. I was hopeful for it. My husband is afflicted with gorilla arms. His arm length, and I measured his regular jackets that do fit him, are 23 inches long. When I got this out of the box, the first thing I did was I opened it up, took out my tape measure, and it was 21 inches. So I didn't think they were going to work for him, but before I was going to return it, I said, just try it on and just see. And again, it was too short for him. So he's fine when he's like this, but as soon as he goes like this, the arms go up to here and it starts pulling under his armpit. So this will not work for him. Again, it will work for most normal size men. This is a size large. My husband is not a big man, and when I bought a size large, one of my concerns is that it's wide and boxy, and I would not say this is wide and boxy. I would say a large fits him everywhere except for the arms. So if you're in between sizes, definitely size up, and if you have very long arms, this will not work for you. All right, so that will be going back. Lovely jacket though. The next item that I got from him, I'm going to return because he just would not appreciate the price of these jeans, and they are pricey jeans. They are AG. They're the Cloud Soft Denim. I didn't even show him these. I'm going to return them because right off the bat, I do want a dark wash for him, but these are ultra dark wash, and I'm concerned that the color dye is going to transfer. I have had problems with overwashed dark jeans where no matter what I did, the vinegar rinse, I had them for years, I couldn't get the stop from transferring. So I'm very hesitant about certain dark colored wash jeans, and this seems to be one that would bleed. So I am going to be returning this one. They seem like a lovely jean. They said that they ran large, so I got a 32 on him, and looking at the waist, this looks to me like his waist. Again, I'm not even going to bother having him try these on. He would not appreciate the price anyway, so these are going back, and like I said, the reason why I'm returning them is the wash on them. They're just too dark, too over dyed, and I'm afraid they'll bleed on everything. So that is number two. Now number three, items that I purchased. All right, I purchased the Sam Edelman teddy coat. It's a shorter style jacket, which is one of the reasons why I purchased it. This is a thick quality heavy coat. I will try it on for you, but I am not going to keep it, and you will see why when I try it on. I highly recommend this if you're a little bit larger than me. It's a nice thick warm coat, but I will try it on for you. Then the next item I received, and I haven't even opened them up out of the box, it's one of two pairs of boots that I ordered. All right, these are the Dolce Vita ones. They're $174.99, which for 100% leather tall boot, you know, is not that bad of a price. It does have a very nice heel. It has sort of a squarish, but not too square toe. I think these are a classic boot that will be needed in my closet for years to come. And I think I mentioned that I need boots, a black pair boot. So I will try these on, see how they work, but I'm not gonna make any judgment on them unless they're too small until I get the Steve Madden. I got a similar pair by Steve Madden coming, and I'll try them both on to see which one I like better. But if these are obviously too small, then they will be going back too. But I will try them on for you. And lastly, I got a pair of Schutz minimalistic black sandals. These are a very, very manageable heel, actually much smaller than I'm used to. I'll try these on, see how these fit, and yeah, they're cute. They were on sale, and I do have minimalistic black heels on my list. So give me a minute, and I'll do a quick try on for you. Okay, so two things that I know are not gonna work for me. First is this jacket. The reason why I chose this jacket is because it was a shorter crop style and it did have the buttons, the double-breasted buttons, where I thought would bring me in and give me more of a waist. But unfortunately, this does not. This is just too boxy for my style. I'm looking for something like a little bit more fitted around here. You can actually see there's plenty of room if I wanted to layer thick sweaters underneath this. The sleeve length is actually good, not too long, so that's really good. I ordered my usual size extra small, but as you can see, it is quite roomy, and I just don't think very figure flattering. So this is going back. I just don't love it on me. Next up, I only have one boot on. Hopefully you can see this. I am backing up as much as I can. These were a struggle to get on. So there's only a zipper down at the bottom of the boot, which means I have to get my foot into the boot and then pull the shaft up over my fat calf. And that is just not going to work for me. I need a boot where I can unzip the whole thing and zip the whole thing up due to the size of my calves. I was getting a major foot cramp trying to get my foot in this thing, and thus the reason why I didn't even try and get the other one in. I will have to say they're very comfortable. The heel height is good. They're a nice sturdy boot. Width is good. There's nothing wrong about them. It's me. I would need to go to a wide calf if I were to keep these boots. So these are a no, and they're going back, and hopefully the Steve Madden work out better for me. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the Schutz. Okay. You're gonna have to excuse me if you see tags on this shirt. I literally just did a loft try on, and I never bothered taking off the shirt because I knew I wanted to try it on with the jeans and with these jeans, because I know I want to wear those boots with a pair of jeans. And even though these aren't a skinny jean, they're pretty darn tight around my calves. So if those don't fit with these jeans, they're just not really gonna fit with much. So definitely, unfortunately, I need like a full zip for the boots. I have to say they're very lovely boots, and if I'm gonna see if I can get them in a wide. I'm not sure if they came in a wide or not, but if they did, I will try and order them in a wide. Okay, the Schutz, these are a winner. So these are very comfortable, and I think I've told many of you that I do have bunions and a wider foot, not a wide foot, but a wider foot. And I was a little bit concerned about these being too tight and digging in, and they do not. They're very comfortable, very manageable heel. I think I can wear them with some little bit of dressier outfits, so I am happy, and this is the only thing I'm keeping out of this first haul. All right, well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell, get notified of future videos from me, give me a thumbs up, and stay tuned because I got more Nordstrom items coming. Take care, till next time.